Hey everyone, welcome back to Car Release TV. Today we're diving into something unexpected, a familiar name from the past, but with a whole new twist. Remember the Dodge Stealth? That sporty 90s coupe, which was actually a rebadged Mitsubishi, is making a comeback. But this time, not as you'd expect. What if I told you the 2025 Dodge Stealth is now a three-row midsize SUV that's set to replace the Durango? Intrigued? Stick around, because we're about to break it all down. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you love staying updated on the latest car releases and reviews. Hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from Car Release TV. Let's get into it. How did the Dodge Stealth transform from a sleek, sporty coupe into a spacious family SUV? And more importantly, what can we expect from this new model? The Dodge Durango has been in the lineup since 2011, and it's fair to say it was starting to show its age. With Jeep rolling out a new generation of the Grand Cherokee on a modern platform, the Durango was left behind. Until now. But don't worry, Dodge fans, the Durango name isn't going away for good. In fact, there's talk that it could return as a larger body-on-frame SUV, possibly sharing its platform with the Jeep Wagoneer. In the meantime, the new three-row midsize SUV taking its place, that's where the 2025 Dodge Stealth steps in. Now, let's talk design. The 2025 Stealth takes heavy inspiration from Dodge's muscle car heritage. Up front, you've got a bold crosshair grille, reminiscent of the Charger and Challenger, with the iconic Dodge logo proudly in the center. The angular headlights feature sleek LED daytime running lights, giving it a sharp, aggressive look. Moving to the side, you'll notice strong shoulder lines, flared wheel arches, and a muscular stance that commands attention. Around back, it doesn't disappoint either, with a rear spoiler, dual exhaust tips, and LED taillights adding to its sporty vibe. Inside, the 2025 Dodge Stealth is all about comfort and space, with seating for up to 7 passengers. The cabin layout is driver-focused, featuring a digital instrument cluster, a 10.1-inch touchscreen, and a modern rotary gear selector. Premium materials, soft touch surfaces, and chrome accents throughout give the interior a refined yet durable feel. As for when you can expect to see this beauty on the road, the 2025 Dodge Stealth is set to hit the market in late 2024. Pricing hasn't been confirmed yet, but it's estimated to start around $40,000 for the base SXT trim, with the top-tier SRT model possibly reaching up to $60,000. So, what do you think of the Dodge Stealth's comeback as a mid-size SUV? Will it live up to the legacy of the original, or will it create a new one entirely? Let us know in the comments below. And again, make sure to like, subscribe, and share to stay updated on all things automotive. See you next time on Car Release TV.